Increasingly, computers are just part of absolutely everything. And if I look at Princeton as a university, and I'm sure the same is true at Toronto even more so, there's an enormous breadth of things that people do there, and every single aspect of that has computers in some way or other. My father went to U of T, was a chemical engineer from the class of 1931, so there's, I suppose you could argue, a vague family tradition in that. It's a great school, it really was. It was really broad, and I think that is useful, not in any specific way perhaps, but when you sort of wonder about how things in the world work, you're better able to deal with them than you might have been if you hadn't had that broad education, if I'd focused on one particular aspect, perhaps. We really did work extremely hard, and you just had to keep your eye on that. And I think that kind of, let's just, okay, suck it up, keep working, has probably been very useful ever since. You don't procrastinate as much as you would like to, perhaps, and you say, oh, it's got to be done, let's just get on and do it. So definitely a cliche, but I think just getting into the habit of working really hard when it has to be done, and that's probably the hardest I've ever worked in my whole life in some sense. I think the lesson was that you got to work really hard if you're going to keep up in that kind of environment. When I went there, everybody was smarter than I was, and I just had to bust my tail all the time to keep up with this bunch of really smart people.